Want to become a better coder? Hit like, subscribe, and let's do this together. PageRank is an algorithm used by Google to rank web pages based on their importance. It works by looking at how pages are connected to one another through links. The idea is simple. A page is more important if it is linked to by other important pages. Think of it like a popularity contest. If a popular person, a well-connected page, gives a vote link to another person, that second person gets some of that popularity. The core concept here is that links are votes. If page A links to page B gets a vote of approval. But not all votes are equal. A vote from a highly influential page counts more than a vote from a less important one. In a way, the more important a page is, the more valuable its vote is. Here is a simple Python implementation of PageRank. In this example, each page is represented as a node in a graph, and the links between pages are edges. The algorithm calculates a score, PageRank, for each page, which is updated based on the pages linking to it. This is a simple representation of a web with 4 pages, A, B, C, D. Links are represented as a matrix where rows represent outgoing links and columns represent incoming links. The value in row I and column J represents the link from page J to page I. Links matrix. A has a link from C. B has a link from A. C has links from A, B, D. D has no outgoing links. The total number of pages. Initialize the page rank vector. Initially, every page has equal rank. Damping factor, typically between 0.85 and 1. Number of iterations to run the algorithm. Page rank calculation loop. New page rank vector, initialized to zeros. Distribute the rank from the links. Look for pages that link to page. Example, incoming links. Sum up the ranks from other pages that point to this page. Distribute the rank evenly among all outgoing links from other underscore page. Apply damping factor. Include some random rank distribution to all pages. Update PageRank for the next iteration. Print the final PageRank scores. Now run our code. Wow, you guys are amazing. If you're enjoying this coding journey as much as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing that, you're not just helping the channel grow, you're also making sure you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. There's so much more coming your way, and I don't want you to miss a single line of code. Let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button right now.